In this video, I'll show you how to create a dynamic opening where card-like panels fall onto the screen and reveal your video piece by piece. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the falling motion feels natural. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find falling cards, then apply it. Once applied, rectangular panels fall into place, gradually revealing the video underneath with a smooth and layered look. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how fast the cards fall. Shorter duration makes the reveal fast and energetic. Longer duration slows it down, creating a more relaxed and cinematic feel. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so the card movement feels balanced. And that's it. You've successfully added a falling cards reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.